second year MSc students. So today I would like to discuss order disorder transformation. So generally order disorder designate the presence or absence of some symmetry or correlation in a many particle system. So in physics systems typically are ordered at low temperatures. Upon heating they undergo one or several phase transitions into less order states. So example, melting of ice. So solid to liquid transition, loss of crystalline order. Second example is the demagnetization of ion by heating above a Curie temperature. And another temperature we can discuss ferromagnetic to paramagnetic transition, loss of magnetic order. So we are discussing order disorder transformation. So consider an alloy composed of two metals like A and B. So the alloy is said to be ordered if A and B atoms having irregular periodic arrangement with respect to one another. So example like A, this is metal A, the atoms are arranged in regular order, and like B is like this. This is the example for ordered alloy. So in another example is a disordered alloy. The alloy is disordered if A and B atoms are randomly arranged. Like A atom, this B atom, again A atom, again B atom, B atom, again B atom, again B atom. This is A atom A. Okay, this dotted line indicates atom B and the circles indicate like atom A. Then the arrangement of A and B are in randomly arranged. This type of alloy is called as disordered alloy. Disordered alloy. So this is ordered alloy. Disordered alloy. Many properties of an alloy ordered in on the degree of the order. The alloy is completely ordered at absolute zero. It becomes less ordered as the temperature increased until the transition temperature. So, and above Tc the structure is disordered. There are ordered and disordered alloys. There are two types of orders. One is long range order. Second one is short range order. Long range order, short range order. So you can observe the long range order of alloy AB. From this diagram, we are taking the temperature along x-axis of this alloy. So this is the temperature 0 at absolute temperature 0. So this is long range order of alloy AB. The temperature this order is like this with increasing temperature. At the critical temperature Tc. If an alloy is cooled rapidly from a high temperature to a temperature below the transition, the metastable state condition may be produced in which a non-equilibrium disorder is frozen in the structure. The reverse effect occurs when an ordered specimen is disordered at constant temperature by heavy irradiation with nuclear particles. So the long range and short range orders of an alloy you can observe by a single diagram. This is at a critical temperature, long range order. So for short range, this is short range order. So this space is the first order transformation. This is first order transformation. So this space is second order transformation. Second order transformation. So from the second short range order, the correlation among nearest neighbors may persist above the transition temperature. So this is the above the transition temperature. The long range order of an alloy AB and long range order of an alloy of composition AB is, you can see this diagram. So the degree of the orders may be investigated experimentally by X-ray diffraction. So the disordered structure has less number of diffracted lines. We can also observe this experiment. So the disordered structure has less number of diffraction lines. So this is the center, dark. So these are diffracted lines of both sides of the central maxima. Because the scattering power of each phase is equal to the average of A and B scattering powers. So in case of the order structure has extra diffraction lines, those are not possessed by disordered transition. These are superstructural lines. The order structure of CuZn alloy is the CSCl structure. The space lattice is simple cubic. The basis has one Cu atom at lattice position 0, 0, 0 and one zinc atom at lattice positions 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. The diffraction structure factor may be written as like this. The diffraction structure may be written by S of HKL is equal to FCU plus FZn e power minus I pi into H plus K plus L. So this cannot be vanished because FCU is not is equal to FZn. Therefore, all reflections of the simple cubic lattice will occur. So in the disordered structure, the situation is different. The base is equal to to have either Zn or Cu at 0, 0, 0 and at 0, 0, 0 and either of Zn or 1 by 2. These are the positions of lattice points. Then the average structure factor is average structure factor S of HKL average is equal to average of F plus FCU plus average of F Zn e power minus pi into H plus K plus L, where F is equal to average 1 by 2 FCU plus F Zn. So this equation, from this equation, which is exactly the form of the resultant for the BCC lattice, the reflections vanishes when H plus K plus L is odd. We see that the ordered lattice has a reflection not present in the disordered lattice from this diagram. So that is already we saw this diagram. So disordered structure at T greater than Tc, say small diffracted lines you can observe at the central dark. So in case of ordered at T less than Tc, so number of diffracted lines you can observe by the central maxima. Those are superstructured lines. So this is order disorder theory of alloys. Okay, next one is elementary theory of order. Elementary theory of order. So we will discuss in next class this elementary theory of order. Okay, thank you.